my name is Andrea.
Hi, how are you doing?
I am okay, thank you.
Where do you live?
I live in Alabama.
Nice, I live Colorado.
How long do you live there?
I lived there for 11 years.
Do you live alone? Or with your family?
I live with my wife.
Really, nice. I live with sisters.
How many sisters do you have?
I have 3 sisters. How long have you been married?
I have been married for 5 years.
It was nice talking to you, but I have to go.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hi, William.
Hi, Amelia.
How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am fine.
Where are you from?
I am from Hawaii.
Wow, I love Hawaii. I always wanted to visit Hawaii.
Great. I would be very happy if you come to Hawaii.
Thank you so much.
William, where are you from?
I am from Switzerland.
I heard it is a very nice place.
Thank you.
It was nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you too.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Hi, Michael.
Hi, Emily.
How are you?
I am fine.
Where are you working?
I am working in a factory.
Michael, do you like working in the factory?
No, I do not like working in the factory, but I need money.
Yes, I understand. Where do you want to work?
I want to work in an office.
I see. I hope you get a job in an office.
Thank you, Emily. Where do you work?
I work in the hospital.
What do you do in the hospital?
I am a doctor. I love my job.
That's great. I am happy you have a good job.
Thank you, Michael.
I have to go.
Okay, bye, Michael.
Bye, Emily. Hi, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am fine.
Are you a student?
Yes, I study computer science at the university.
Really, I study accounting.
Great, it is really nice to meet you.
What year are you in?
I am in my last year of technology school.
Wow, great. You must be so happy that you will graduate soon.
Yes, I am so happy. What year of accounting school are you in?
I am in my 3rd year of accounting school.
Great, do you like accounting school?
Yes, I love accounting school.
I have to go, maybe we can meet for coffee.
Yes, that sounds great.
I will call. See you soon.
Great, bye. What's up? Nice to meet you. How's it going? Hi, John. How are you doing? Have you got any plans for the weekend? How was your weekend? So, what do you do for a living?
It's a pleasure to meet you.